Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny back again. As you can see, I'm just out in nature. Beautiful surroundings. What we're going to do today is we're going to enjoy the little bit of rainfall coming down. Start to imagine that, start to feel that wherever you are. Beautiful raindrops starting to come down. And just open up your hands and feel them on your skin. And be grateful for them as they cleanse you. Not to be afraid of this water, but to embrace it as it literally purifies you, purifies your energies. We're going to talk about the lockdown again. Just happened a few days ago. Another lockdown for the whole province. So it's a challenging time for all of us. Lots of different emotions going around. Lots of heaviness, lots of fear and frustration, uncertainty. We're going to just sit here in the rain. We're going to let that all wash away. All those heavy emotions. I want you to take any heavy thoughts or emotions you have about the virus, about the lockdowns, about what's going on in the world this last year, all the fear and uncertainty, and just let this water pour over you. Just close your eyes and imagine that water coming down. Feel it dripping on your skin. Imagine those thoughts and feelings, those energies that you don't want or need, that don't do you any good. Just flowing off of you, helping you to feel lighter and more relaxed. And listen to those sounds of the birds in the background. Beautiful sounds. And just recognize that when you're in nature and you hear those sounds, all is well. All is in divine order. They're not afraid. Nature is not afraid. God is not afraid. We're just going to sit here and listen to the beautiful sounds of nature. Those beautiful birds chirping, happy. When you feel that water coming down, that rain, life-giving energy, that life-giving water. We're going to let this water cleanse our energies. Let yourself be renewed. Let your energies be renewed and purified and cleansed. Let yourself realize that all is well. All is going to be okay. Choose love over fear every time. Choose hope and optimism over despair every time. One step at a time, one moment at a time. But as much as you can, keep choosing hope. Keep choosing hope. Go through those other emotions, let them come, acknowledge them, and then release them. Let them be healed, let them be purified and cleansed and brought back to love and light. And this rain is doing that for us today, this beautiful water from the heavens. The world is being cleansed today. The problems are being cleansed. The virus is being cleansed. Trust, have faith, and believe. We will get through this, and we are getting through this. And we're getting stronger every day. Finding new ways to do things, new ways to persevere. Building our strength, building our spirit, our resolve, our determination, our love. We'll get through this together. We always have and we always will. Don't get lost in the frustration or the despair or the fear, all the other emotions that come with it. This is our chance to choose love every time, to lift all those heavy energies for us, for ourselves, for our families, for our communities, for our country, and for our world. We can choose love. The more we choose that love, the more that love goes out into the world. If we get through this, we overcome this, we heal this. And that's how we truly heal this virus, is through love. Choosing love, being love, speaking lovingly, acting lovingly. It's truly the only way. Even when the other emotions come up, let them come up. Don't pretend like they're not there. They need to come up. They need to be released. Things come up to be healed and to be released. It's all part of the healing process. So embrace this healing process in our own lives and in the world. The world is being cleansed. Sometimes we need to face our fears, to overcome them, to get to the other side through love, to recognize that we are stronger than this fear. We are not this fear. We are not helpless. We are strong. We are eternal. We are love and light filled. And that is the truth. And keep listening to that nature. They're not worried at all. They know the truth. They're here to enjoy, to sing, to remind us, to spread their wings and fly free. They want us to do the same. Spread your love, everyone. Keep letting that water wash over you and cleanse you. That's what you do. When you're going through tough times, just feel it to heal it. You can get through your emotions, you can master your emotions. Recognize that you are not your emotions. You are love. And all the other emotions stem from love, from a desire to be loved. Every act is a cry out for love, in one way or another. Every act is made of love. Recognize that and know that to be true. And see through this virus and know it's there to help us to grow. We got to go through it to grow through it. And we have, and we are, and we will. And we'll become more love-filled because of it. Keep choosing love every time. You are the presence of love. We are the presence of love. All there is love. Know it to be true. And when those other emotions come up, remind yourself you're healing, you're releasing all the other emotions to get back to that love, to find a way. We came here to find a way to be love in action in all situations, to remind ourselves and everyone about the power of us, the power of our light, the power of our love. We are eternal. Know it to be true, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for coming for this walk. Thanks for listening. And keep choosing love over fear every time. We will get through this together.